Hi, I'm Jordan, and in the next video, we'll learn how to create new users and set their role permissions. By clicking on the gear icon, you will be taken to the settings page where you can create a new system user. Under the Users tab, you will see all the users you currently have in the system. To create a new user, click Add and fill in the name and email address. The next step is to assign the user to a suitable role. You can add more users by clicking Add User. When finished, click Add, and that's it. You have created new system users. The user screen in front of you allows you to see and edit all the users. You can manage and change the permissions for a certain role at any time. By managing permissions, you can define which data each role will see, thus creating the differentiation of information between the various roles. To edit a role permission, click on the user for whom you wish to edit the permission. Under the permission field, you will find the role to which your user belongs. You can access the permission screen for a role by clicking on its name. On the left, you can see all the objects in your system and other system functions. By checking the box next to an object, you can grant that role permission to create new system records. Checking the Create box, for example, will allow the assigned role to create new accounts. Check Read next to an object if you want the same assigned role to be able to view its data. Checking Edit will grant editing permissions in the same object, and Delete will allow deletion of existing records. Once we decide to grant the role holder permission to a certain object, we can define the level of data sharing he will be exposed to. For example, we would like a sales rep to be able to see the account object, but only the accounts he manages. In such a case, the rep will be granted read permission on the account object, and the data sharing level will be set to only me. In this way, you can actually define both the type of information to which the employee will be exposed to and the level of information sharing. On your right, you will see permissions for additional actions in the system. Checking V next to each action will give that role access to that action. Once you've finished editing the permission, click Save to receive a customized role permission. Continue to define permissions for the rest of the roles in the system.